in for without your consent. See, it's blurry. Like on that one. There it is. My friend had one of these. It's a different color. It shines in the bright, I think. Yeah, it's a lip balm. I'm taking this thing to school. Okay, let's sit down and put this on. Oh, my mom had one of these and I stole it. So I tried to have one of these. It's a different color, it's not the same size anyways. But is it? No, it's not. That's one I stole because it's cute. I use it for my routine. Oh, I should probably do my routine right now, but let's take it off. I hope it doesn't burn. Smells good.